Brothers and sisters, and good morning especially to our friends from the COMELEC headed by Chairman George Garcia. As I was traveling, coming here to the Manila Cathedral, I saw along Rojas Boulevard many posters of our Olympiads. And for the past weeks, we have been talking about our Olympic players, particularly those who won medals for our country. And we have also been talking and fascinated about the prizes they were given. The gold medalist received millions as prize. So some of us have already begun practicing tumbling. Yung iba siguro sa inyo, yung mga anak niyo, mag-aral ka na mag-tumbling, no? Ganyan kalaki ang premyo kapag ikaw ay nanalo ng gold medal. But my dear brothers and sisters, what do you think is the motivation of our Olympiads in winning? Do you think it is just the money? Is it the prize? Their motivation for winning? I think it will be an insult to our Olympic players when we say that their motivation is the prize money. No. Every Olympian knows that their greatest motivation is winning that medal. No amount of money could replace that. Because if only their motivation is the prize money, then perhaps you also know some Olympians cheat because their motivation was wrong. My dear brothers and sisters, today we celebrate the queenship of Mary, the coronation, the crowning of Mary. And we celebrate this triumph of Mary. But we are reminded today, what was the crown that was longed for by Mary? My dear brothers and sisters, we are reminded today that Mary set her eyes only on one crown, and that is to win the heart of God. That is the only crown for Mary. That is why our gospel reading today for the queenship of Mary is none other than the story of the Annunciation. When Mary said to the angel, "I am the handmaid of the Lord. May it be done to me according to your word." That is the crown awaited by Mary, to win the heart and the love of God. My dear brothers and sisters, I pray that today we might learn from Mary, that we might only set our eyes and our hearts to that one crown, and that is to win the heart of God. My dear brothers and sisters, and especially our friends in the COMELEC, the Commission on Elections, win the heart of God, and you will win the hearts of people. Amen.